All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be learning about the honeybee. So this is very similar to the other lessons that we have been learning about with the life cycle. So we're going to first click on the Learn category, and we're going to learn about the life cycle of the honeybee. The egg stage. The first stage of the honeybee's life cycle is the egg. A queen honeybee will lay one egg in each section of the honeycomb. The queen honeybee can lay 3 different kinds of eggs that will eventually turn into 3 different kinds of bees: worker bees, drones, or other queen bees. Only queen bees lay eggs. The next stage of the life cycle of a honeybee is the larva. The second stage of the honeybee's life cycle is the larva. While inside the egg, a larva begins to grow. After 3 days, the larva will hatch from the egg. The larva has no legs. While developing, the larva is fed a mixture of pollen and honey. As they grow, larvae will shed their skin 4 to 5 times. Pupa. The third stage of the honeybee's life cycle is the pupa. About 9 days after the egg was first laid and the larva hatches, the larva is completely grown. The larva will form a cylinder-shaped outer covering called a pupa. Inside the pupa, the bees form legs. While in the pupa, the larva goes through the process of metamorphosis. This is when an animal completely changes its form, and this should remind you of the butterfly. Adult. When ready, the bees will chew their way out of the pupa and emerge as adult bees. The fourth stage of the bee's life cycle. The whole process from egg to adult takes about 16 to 23 days. They will emerge as worker bees, drones, or queen bees. So here are 2 videos that we are going to watch together to learn more about honeybees.
Here is a bee egg as it hatches into a larva. Those newly hatched larvae swim around their cells, feeding on the liquid food that nurse bees secrete for them. Then their head and their legs start to differentiate as they transform into pupae. Here's that same pupation process seen from above with varroa mites running around in the cells. Next, the tissue reorganizes in their body and the pigment slowly develops in their eyes. In the last step, their skin shrivels up and they sprout hair.
And now we're going to watch another video.
Bees. Buzzing bees can be found all over the world. There are lots of types of bees, from honeybees to bumblebees. Solitary bees, like carpenter bees and mining bees, live alone. While social bees, like the most common honeybee, live in large colonies. Each bee has a job. The important queen bee lays lots of eggs. They live a long time. Drone bees are male, and busy worker bees are female. They use beeswax to build the hive. Here are some hives in the wild. And here is a beekeeper's hive. Can you see the honeycomb structure? And busy worker bees take care of the young, clean the hive, groom the queen, and they collect pollen and nectar from flowers. With their long tongues, they slurp up the sweet pollen and nectar. Collecting the pollen on pollen baskets on their bodies. They make honey with the nectar and pollen. Honey is used to feed the whole colony. Did you know bees are some of the most important animals on the planet? Because they help pollinate flowers, fruits, and vegetables. This means they help other plants grow. So you can thank bees for your yummy fruit and vegetables. What other animals would you like to learn about next? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe.
All right, so we watched 2 videos, and then, actually we need to go back. Let's see. This one.
Here is a bee egg as it hatches in
This one, I think there's one more. Okay, and some fun facts here. So some interesting facts about honeybees. Fact number 1, a queen bee can lay up to 2,000 eggs a day. That's a lot of eggs. Fact number 2, queen bees can live 3 to 5 years. That video did just say that they live longer. Worker bees live for about 6 weeks. That's not very long at all. And drones live only 40 to 50 days. So I guess that makes sense of why she lays so many eggs, because these other bees don't live for very long. Fact number 3, honeybees fly at 15 miles per hour. That's pretty fast for a little bee. And then fact number 4, a honeybee can flap its wings 11,400 times a minute. This is what makes the buzz sound. Okay, and that's all the information about honeybees today. And now what you will do is you will complete the assignment about chicken. And so then you will complete the slideshow just like this on your own, and then complete the paper in regards to the chicken. Okay?